In this video, we'll demonstrate how to get the verified badge on X. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to get the verified badge on X and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get into the steps. Log in to your X account. On mobile, tap your profile icon in the upper left corner. On desktop, navigate to the sidebar and click on the Verified or Premium option. Select the appropriate identification, whether you're an individual or a business, and then click on Subscribe. Opt for an annual subscription for a potential discount. The annual subscription might offer savings compared to a monthly subscription. Verify your phone number by entering it in the provided field. You might have the option to let people who have your phone number find and connect with you on X. Enter the verification code sent to your phone and click Verify. Proceed to the payment processor, where you'll need to input your email, payment details, name on the card, billing address, and choose whether to save your information for future use. Click Subscribe. If the payment is successful, you'll receive a confirmation indicating that your account is under review for verification status. Check your verification status in your account settings after some time to ensure the process is ongoing. Verify your member benefits by accessing the subscription status, which should now show as active. If this guide was helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful content. For additional tutorials and helpful guides, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.